Welcome back to my channel. I am makeup artist Charlie Allen, and this is my prom series. Welcome back to my channel, and thank you for watching. So this series is going to be quick videos of how you can do your makeup yourself for prom. So it's not going to be too much to the video, so just sit back and watch them, and maybe you can get some ideas of how you would like to do your makeup for prom. Cause period.
And can you make it last forever?
Ever.
Ooh, my lip gloss is popping. Ooh, what you know about me? What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know? And my lip gloss is gone. My lip gloss is popping. In the streets, and them money popping.
You got the words, honey. The word.